My dear students, you must have heard the name of great biologist Gregor John Mendel. He suggested the genetic basis of inheritance. At the time of Mendel, the nature of those factors regulating the pattern of inheritance was not very clear. Over next 100 years, the nature of the genetic material was further investigated, culminating that the DNA is the genetic material. This chapter explains us the molecular basis of inheritance and variation. You know, both DNA and RNA are the nucleic acids. DNA acts as genetic material in most of the organisms, whereas RNA acts as genetic material in some of the organisms like in viruses and acts as messenger. It also acts as an adapter molecule, structural, and in some cases it has catalytic role also. About these functions we will study later in this particular chapter. Now let us concentrate about the DNA. You know, DNA is a long polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. The length of DNA is usually defined as the number of nucleotides or a pair of nucleotides referred as base pairs present in it. This is also the characteristics of an organism. For example, the human DNA has 3.3 into 10 to the power 9 base pairs, whereas bacteriophages 5 into 174, viruses 5386 nucleotides are there. In bacteriophage lambda, there are about 48,502 base pairs. In Escherichia coli, that is E. coli, there are 4.6 into 10 to the power 6 base pairs. Now let us know about the structure of a nucleotide or polynucleotide chain. As you know, DNA and RNA, these are the polynucleotide chains made up of a number of nucleotides. Each nucleotide has three components: nucleotide bases, nitrogenous bases, pentose sugar and phosphate group. Further, nitrogenous bases are of two types, purine and pyrimidines. Purines are of again two types, adenine, guanine, and pyrimidine, cytosine, uracil, thymine. Pentose sugar may be ribose sugar or deoxyribose sugar, the 5-carbon sugar, and the third component is the phosphate group. Both pentose sugar and nitrogenous bases are together called as nucleosides. The nucleotides are made up of a particular nucleoside and phosphate. They are linked with the help of phosphodiester bond. A number of nucleotides join together with the help of phosphodiester bond to form a polynucleotide chain. Polynucleotide chain has free phosphate moiety at 5' end of the sugar is referred as 5' end, and a 3 OH group on the other hand, that is called a 3' end. Both sugar and phosphate form the backbone of the polynucleotide chain. Let us know about the structure of a polynucleotide chain. This is a single nucleotide. It has three components. This one is the sugar, pentose sugar. This is the base, adenine base, and this is the phosphate group. Okay, you see the base is attached with the first carbon and the carbon number 5 is linked with the phosphate. This one is the second nucleotide, third and fourth. So this particular polynucleotide chain has 4 nucleotides. The phosphate is attached with the 5th carbon of first nucleotide, whereas there is an OH group, hydroxyl group at 3rd carbon of the last nucleotides. So this becomes the 5th prime end of the chain, and this is the 3 prime chain end of the chain. Let us see the differences between DNA and RNA. DNA is a double stranded structure, RNA is single stranded structure. In DNA, there is a deoxyribose sugar, RNA has a ribose sugar. DNA has unique property of replication, whereas RNA usually doesn't show this type of property. DNA contains cytosine, thymine and adenine, guanine, whereas RNA has cytosine, uracil in place of thymine and adenine, guanine. DNA controls the transmission of hereditary effects, whereas RNA controls the synthesis of proteins. So students, this is all about our first topic for today. In summary, again I am showing you the major things of this particular topic. You have to learn about the molecular basis of inheritance. Today you just try to know about the structure of nucleotide, number of base pairs in human being, bacteriophages, E. coli, etc., and the components of polynucleotide chains. And finally, you have to draw the structure of a nucleotide chain and polynucleotide chain and differences between DNA and RNA. Thank you.